Welcome to BODY20, where fitness meets technology. Today, you're trying BODY20's EMS training, a smarter, more efficient way to work out. In just 20 minutes, our EMS-powered strength session activates up to 90% of your muscle fibers, far more than a traditional workout. And it's low impact on joints and tendons, full body, and completely personalized to you. Your BODY20 EMS suit is lightweight and comfortable. It delivers safe electrical impulses that amplify each movement, making small, controlled motions feel incredibly powerful. Next, we'll dial in your settings. You're always in control. We'll find the perfect intensity that challenges your muscles but feels right for you. From squats to core work, our EMS suit optimizes every rep. We'll target glutes, legs, core, back, chest, and arms all at once. In a traditional workout, you might activate only 40 to 70% of your muscle mass, depending on your mind to muscle connection. With EMS training, you can reach around 90% every time, no matter your fitness level. That's it! You've just completed a workout that can deliver the results of 90 minutes at the gym in a fraction of the time. Most members train just once to 3 times a week. Whether you're building strength, toning, recovering, or transforming your lifestyle, BODY20 adapts to you. BODY20 is strength for life, at every age and every stage. You don't need more time, just smarter technology.